3, a new frontier for world models. With Genie 3, you can use natural language to generate a variety of worlds and explore them interactively, all with a single text prompt. Let's see what it's like to spend some time in a world. Genie 3 has real-time interactivity, meaning that the environment reacts to your movements and actions. You're not walking through a pre-built simulation. Everything you see here is being generated live as you explore it. And Genie 3 has world memory. That's why environments like this one stay consistent. World memory even carries over into your actions. For example, when I'm painting on this wall, my actions persist. I can look away and generate other parts of the world. But when I look back, the actions I took are still there. And Genie 3 enables promptable events, so you can add new events into your world on the fly. Something like another person, or transportation, or even something totally unexpected. You can use Genie to explore real-world physics and movement, and all kinds of unique environments. You can generate worlds with distinct geographies, historical settings, fictional environments, and even other characters. We're excited to see how Genie 3 can be used for next-generation gaming and entertainment. And that's just the beginning. Worlds can help with embodied research, training robotic agents before working in the real world, or simulating dangerous scenarios for disaster preparedness and emergency training. World models can open new pathways for learning, agriculture, manufacturing, and more. We're excited to see how Genie 3's world simulation can benefit
Genie 3, a general-purpose world model that can generate an unprecedented diversity of interactive environments. Given a text prompt, Genie 3 can generate dynamic worlds that users can navigate in real time at 24 frames per second, retaining consistency for a few minutes at resolution of 720p. Background on world models. Google DeepMind has been pioneering research in simulated environments for over a decade, from training agents to master real-time strategy games to developing simulated environments for open-ended learning and robotics. World models are AI systems that can use their understanding of the world to simulate aspects of it, enabling agents to predict both how an environment will evolve and how their actions will affect it. World models are considered a key stepping stone on the path to AGI, since they make it possible to train AI agents in an unlimited curriculum of rich simulation environments. Previous iterations include Genie 1 and Genie 2, which could generate new environments for agents, as well as VO2 and VO3, which exhibit a deep understanding of intuitive physics. Key capabilities: modeling physical properties of the world, experience natural phenomena like water and lighting, and complex environmental interactions. Simulating the natural world, generate vibrant ecosystems from animal behaviors to intricate plant life. Modeling animation and fiction, tap into imagination, creating fantastical scenarios and expressive animated characters. Exploring locations and historical settings, transcend geographical and temporal boundaries to explore places and past eras. Real-time interactivity, achieve high degree of controllability and real-time interaction, requiring significant technical breakthroughs. Environmental consistency, maintain physical consistency over long horizons with visual memory extending as far back as 1 minute ago. Promptable world events, enable text-based interaction to change the generated world, like altering weather conditions or introducing new objects and characters. Technical breakthroughs, achieving a high degree of controllability and real-time interactivity in Genie 3 required significant technical breakthroughs. During the auto-regressive generation of each frame, the model has to take into account the previously generated trajectory that grows with time. For example, if the user is revisiting a location after a minute, the model has to refer back to the relevant information from a minute ago. To achieve real-time interactivity, this computation must happen multiple times per second in response to new user inputs as they arrive. Genie 3's consistency is an emergent capability. Unlike other methods such as NeRFs and Gaussian splatting that depend on explicit 3D representation, worlds generated by Genie 3 are far more dynamic and rich because they're created frame by frame based on the world description and actions by the user. Applications for embodied agent research. To test the compatibility of Genie 3 created worlds for future agent training, Google DeepMind generated worlds for a recent version of their SEMA agent, a generalist agent for 3D virtual settings. In each world, they instructed the agent to pursue distinct goals, which it aims to achieve by sending navigation actions to Genie 3. Since Genie 3 is able to maintain consistency, it is now possible to execute longer sequences of actions, achieving more complex goals. This technology is expected to play a critical role in the path toward AGI, as agents play a greater role in the world. Current limitations. Limited action space. Although promptable world events allow for a wide range of environmental interventions, they are not necessarily performed by the agent itself. The range of actions agents can perform directly is currently constrained. Interaction and simulation of other agents. Accurately modeling complex interactions between multiple independent agents in shared environments is still an ongoing research challenge. Accurate representation of real-world locations. Genie 3 is currently unable to simulate real-world locations with perfect geographic accuracy. Text rendering. Clear and legible text is often only generated when provided in the input world description. Limited interaction duration. The model can currently support a few minutes of continuous interaction, rather than extended hours. Responsible development. Google DeepMind believes foundational technologies require a deep commitment to responsibility from the beginning. The technical innovations in Genie 3, particularly its open-ended and real-time capabilities, introduce new challenges for safety and responsibility. To address these unique risks while aiming to maximize the benefits, they have worked closely with their responsible development and innovation team. Genie 3 is being announced as a limited research preview, providing early access to a small cohort of academics and creators. This approach allows them to gather crucial feedback and interdisciplinary perspectives as they explore this new frontier and continue to build understanding of risks and their appropriate mitigations. Future applications. Google DeepMind believes Genie 3 is a significant moment for world models where they will begin to have an impact on many areas of both AI research and generative media. They're exploring how to make Genie 3 available to additional testers in the future. Genie 3 could create new opportunities for education and training, helping students learn and experts gain experience. Not only can it provide a vast space to train agents like robots and autonomous systems, Genie 3 can also make it possible to evaluate agents' performance and explore their weaknesses.